So this is my first look in the Cybertruck, and coming from an S, the first thing I notice is the yoke is tiny. This is a lot smaller than what is in the S. It's smaller in like the girth and smaller, just totally much more than I thought. So you can't really tell that online, and it probably looks full size in this video, but it's pretty small. Taking a look here, key card goes down in that slot. This is pretty cool. This little hexagon drink holder display. This is super cool. Foot on the brake. Got my regular swiping back and forth. So that all looks pretty common to me. A lot of room, guys. I mean, this is cool. Down here, nothing like an S or an X where it's a little tighter. I like it. Ambient lighting is really nice. I love the little blue accent up here. I'll have to play with changing that color. Moving up top, got our mirror, deflector here for the sunshade, and a little bit of exposed glass. Got light up here. Yep, that's what you'd expect. Knock that down a little bit. Looks like I've got a shift indicator up here. This mirror is tiny. I mean, it's hard to tell in this video. So what I like, especially for a guy that's bald, is up top here, over my head, directly over my head, is an Alcantara type section of the roof. So it's not directly glass. I guess if I move back, so I'm touching the phone to the headrest, I guess there is a little bit of glass exposure over your head. But if you move the seat forward, I've got it pushed pretty far back. If you move it forward, you'd have a little coverage up here. I like that. Plenty of glass back here, like you'd expect. So back seat looks good. Pretty cool. That is not a reflection. That is another Cybertruck behind me. We've got two of them here at T-Sportline today. But I've got the camera there. So we'll go for a ride in a little bit and share some comments there. Just want to share an inside look at the Cybertruck. Give you some insights of what we think. Looking forward to working on this thing. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. More coming soon. Take care.